let's say you want to save time and you don't want to create your own Instagram post from scratch. Here is a package that has over 3,000 Instagram post templates. I'm just going to show you what it looks like inside. So you first download it, and I'm going to show you in a minute. If you've already unzipped the folder, you would see a PDF which you can click and open, and it will show you this template setting. So easily you can scroll down and look between all the choices you want to choose for your potential your potential Instagram post that you're going to use. So any one of these, I'm going to click a random one just to show you what it looks like. Okay, let's choose this one. Actually, no, let's go for this one. Now, as you can see, we're in Canva, and so in this example, I'm going to click use the new design. So I'm not going to show you in detail how to make changes, but here is an example of the templates that you have available. And as you can see here, it says 70, so there's 70 different choices. You can easily create your own posts in Instagram and make your changes and then easily upload it. As I got the premium subscription of Canva, I could easily do more than what I would do on a free version. And there's also lots of graphics and designs to choose from. So another thing I want to give you some tips on is you could easily create one, just choose one, and just change the pictures and the text each time, or make slight changes like just move it around.